Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop AliExpress emails. And I get a lot of those. So what you need to do is actually just go to your Gmail and I want you to go ahead and search for AliExpress here, or you can open up any email from AliExpress that is a marketing email. Then I want you to go ahead and click on that email. And what I need you to do is usually in these marketing emails, you're able to go ahead and scroll down all the way down here, right? You'll actually see the option to go ahead and view the entire message. So go ahead and click on that. It'll open up the whole message. Scroll all the way down again, and then here you should be able to see this unsubscribe button. Because if you don't want marketing emails, you just click on unsubscribe. So go ahead and click on that. And then as you can see, we are going to be unsubscribed. We just need to click again here on unsubscribe, and we're no longer subscribed to get marketing emails from AliExpress. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.